guys, it's Vivian. So today, what I wanted to go ahead and discuss with you guys is lashes and how to put them on and the different types of lashes that are available and the different types of lashes that will give you a different look and how the different types of lashes will give you a different type of look. So as you can see, I've already done the lashes on this eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys how I put on my lashes. Now first, what you want to go ahead and do is eyelining your eye. Now I like to use this eyeliner. It's from Tom Ford, or you can use any liquid liner. Any liquid liner will do. You just want a good liquid liner that will go ahead and hide the lash band. So I have already lined my eye. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is take some lash glue. You want to take a flat surface, something like the end of a tweezer, and you want to go ahead and put just a little bit of the lash glue on the end of the tweezer. So just like that, you're gonna go ahead and put just this amount. So now what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna take your false lash and you're just going to put some of the glue on the lash band. Now, one of the reasons why you want to go ahead and do it like this is because you can actually control how much glue gets on the lash band. If you're just putting it straight from the bottle onto your lash, you really can't control how much glue you're gonna get on your lash band. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go ahead and just wave it around, get it nice and tacky. And you can just check it every so often. You're gonna go ahead and wave it around for maybe about 60 seconds or so. You can also go ahead and check it every so often. Okay, so now that we have done that, you want to go ahead and just put it on your top. Just place it on the top of your eyelash. Okay, so now that we have put it on the top of our eyelash, what you want to go ahead and do now is just with the tweezers, you want to go ahead and squeeze the false lash and your real lashes together. What you want to go ahead and do now is take your liquid eyeliner again, and you just want to go ahead and just maybe fix up or maybe touch up your liquid liner just to make sure that the glue or the false eyelashes did not ruin your eyeliner. And this also helps to go ahead and hide the lash band as well. And that is how I put on my false lashes. Now, what I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about is the different types of lashes that you can go ahead and use for different looks. My favorite lashes that I like to go ahead and use is from Ardell. These are the Wispies. And the reason why I like these is because they're readily available anywhere. You can pretty much get them anywhere, Walmart, CVS. And I also like the fact that it comes with a 4-pack. So since it comes with a 4-pack, you get more lashes for your money. The other set of lashes that I also love to wear as well is from House of Lashes, the Wispy Minis. And the reason why I love these lashes as well is because they are from the mini collection. They're actually made for people that have smaller eyes. So they already have a short band, so there's no need to cut them. There's no need to really do anything with these lashes. You just basically can just put them on and you're good to go. Now, the other lashes that I really love to use when I want a really glamorous look and something that will just give my eyelashes a really good oomph is also from House of Lashes. These are the Siren Minis. And the reason why I love these lashes is because they are very glamorous and they really give your eyes a beautiful, beautiful shape with the way that they flare. And I also love the fact that, again, since these are from the mini collection, there is no need to cut them. There is no need to do anything with them. Really, you just put these on and you are, again, good to go. And also, another set of lashes that are also readily available that you can always go ahead and try is the ones also from Ardell. These are the trios, and the reason why I love these is because they give you a very natural look. Because since these are really only for the very edges of your lashes. So these give you a very natural look. These are also great for beginners because since it is a much smaller lash, these are wonderful for beginners. It really allows you to get a lot of practice to be able to then go ahead and use the full lash. And another tip is that you don't need to just use your lashes one time and then just throw them away. You can use your lashes multiple times. You can always keep them in the original packaging. That works just fine. And this will help the lashes keep their shape. And you can basically reuse them as long as you are gentle with them and you're not falling asleep with them on. You're not really bending them or really tugging them. Another thing that I like to go ahead and use because it does keep my lashes all in one place, and this is also from House of Lashes, is the Lash Story book. And the reason why I love this is because you open it up and there you go. You have all of your lashes. You can put all of your lashes in here. They're all in one place. And you can see I've used up a lot of my lashes. That is also another option. If you are someone who likes lashes and you like a lot of different looks, if you want to create a lot of different looks with your lashes, this is definitely something that definitely will work. Putting on lashes, it is something that can be a little bit intimidating, but once you actually have practice and you can pretty much go ahead and put lashes on literally within 5 minutes, not even. And that is it. That is how I put on my lashes. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please remember to subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Twitter at Vividly Makeup. Thank you so much.